अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। यहाँ पे कुछ फैक्टर्स हैं इंग्लिश के स्मार्ट स्पीकर के लिए। सबसे पहले लिसनिंग है। लिसनिंग इज आर्ट एंड इफ़ यू आर मास्टर इन इट श्योरली यू आर गोइंग टू बी ए ग्रेट स्पीकर। A good listener is always a good speaker. So listen English every day at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. This is very important portion, first one. And the second one is speaking. So we must take every day in English in order to achieve fluency. So many people are afraid to speak because they are shy what other people will think. If I will make mistakes are very common. So don't worry about the mistakes. Just try to express yourself. In the beginning, everybody do mistakes and always try to make new friends who are willing to improve their language and practice with them as much as possible. And the third one is that is reading is also a art. It is not a necessarily. If you will read a lot you will improve faster. If you read 10 pages but you can't read something new, it is better to read 2 pages and read carefully and do not try to remember, try to understand. Once you understand them you can't need to remember them. So these are the most important things. Reading is also very important factor. And the third one is writing. So in reading part you read 2 pages. You need to take 8 to 12 correct grammatical sentence from those 2 pages and you have to write down in your notebook and read them frequently. Try to remember whole sentence rather than individual words meaning, because if you knew complete sentence them you can speak in every quickly. So it's very important to remember a whole sentence rather than to remember the words, to remember the new words. The last one is thinking. Thinking is very important part of spoken English, because whatever you can think you can speak. So make a habit to think in English. Everything takes time. In the beginning it will difficult, but when you will practice and practice it will be part of your memory. And once it becomes your habit then English will come naturally from your mouth. So these was the three factors which are very important in English speaking. And now there are the largest, longest, biggest, highest, smallest in the world. What are biggest, what is longest, what is highest, what is smallest in the world. And the next portion is here general knowledge of the world famous parliament of different countries. And this is all about. Thank you very much. So these are all the parliaments, names of the different parliaments. So this is the world parliament where the different names are. So thank you.